everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and as you can see, I am going to be playing with some resin today. This is KS Resin's Liquid Ultra UV epoxy, and I am super excited to try out some chameleon powders that I got here from Let's Resin. I'm going to try them out inside these feather molds. I also have some glitter. It is polyester glitter. It is from Michael's and it was on sale for $5. It's Night Sky, so it's kind of a cool color. I'm going to mix that with a little bit of this blue opaque dye, and I'm going to be using I might use the interference powder on one of these. I'm going to see how it goes when I start mixing in this and see if this is opaque enough. So I'm going to start measuring out my resin and get ready to go. All right, here goes. They are done. They are completely cured. If I were to put heat on any of them, they would need another 30 days at least, if not 45. But I'm going to try to get these out. Now, I do remember that last time I took these out. I took one of these out because I did a test run a while ago. It was actually still soft, so it was very easy for me to get out. But this is not soft, so this is going to be a little bit harder for me to get out, but at least let me break the seal all the way around. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh my God, I don't see any, I don't see any holes. I don't see any bubbles. Oh my God, this KS resin is no joke. Look at that. Oh my goodness, can you see the glitter? Wow. Oh my God, I am truly addicted to this now, for sure. Look at that. That is amazing. Now, there is one part right here. This is a little bit sharp, so I'm gonna have to take care of that. And the crazy thing is there's actually a couple spots where I could tell there must have been a bubble right here. But this is, I love this. All right, let's see what the dark one is. All right. Okay, I'm just breaking it apart from each one. Oh, I can see the shimmery blue already. Okay. Oh my God, this one's my favorite. Look at that shimmery blue. Oh my goodness. What's crazy is I'm pretty sure I put in a little bit of this purple pink, but it only is showing up right here. Oh my goodness, that is so awesome. And I'm pretty sure that I am definitely seeing this color in there. Right down the middle maybe. Oh my goodness, this is the Interference Blue by Resin. Let's Resin. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. And just like the other one, I'm gonna have to sand this part down because it's a little bit, or deeper, whatever, because it's a little bit sharp. Oh my God, that is so gorgeous. Okay, next one. Last one. My little unicorn. Okay, I will completely admit that I did the unicorn off camera because I was killing my hand and my wrist trying to get this out. So I actually soaked it in warm water and that really worked. Oh my God, I love him. Look at how cute that is. Look at the different colors. That is all the Let's Resin Chameleon paint powder. I love it. Oh my God, I cannot wait to do more of these. This little guy is so cute. Well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I am definitely doing more of these. In fact, I have an awesome mold for a dream catcher. So I'm gonna definitely do that. But that iridescent, oh, so amazing. All right, if you have colors that you think I should do these feathers in, please leave me a comment in the section down below. I would love to hear what colors you think I should do next. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.